Alright, so me and Britt and the dog are all heading over to some bluffs overlooking Lake Superior. We're going to do some time lapses. Mess around with the camera, try to learn a little bit. It's a beautiful sunny day with the lovely Brittany and the furry Hibbard. Yeah, we're going to have some fun. Nothing too crazy today, just starting round one and we'll go for an hour or two. And yeah, it'll be a good time. Yep. Oh yeah. Up, up. I'm excited too. Cedar and birch, birch and cedar, cedar and birch. Birch, a birch, a birch, a birch, a birch. Alright, so we're just coming up on the series of lookouts on this trail. We're going to scout them out and see which one has the best perspective for us to use, do a time lapse. Clouds, sunlight, water, boats, all that sort of stuff. I'm not sure, actually the shipping channels might have closed recently, I'm not too sure yet. Normally from here, during the shipping season, you can see large tankers going by with iron ore and other cargoes like that. They're pretty big. I think there's some 1,000-footers. There's a sign here. Check this out. Cards are quicker. Let's go. Hi, how are you? Gotta get back to my girls. How's it going, Boobas? How's it going? Oh, you little crazy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Hips, what do you got there?
What do you got, Hips?
What do you got? Is that your stick? Oh, you're so ferocious.
A little talkative dog.
We're at the first lookout now, so we're just gonna check it out. Oh, what a jerk dog.
I didn't get a good run.
Oh, look at number 2. I understand that. So this one was definitely not that great in the summer. You can see just a little bit through there. The lake's all around us here pretty much, but there's quite a few trees in the way. That's okay. On to the next one. Is it fat?
No.
She destroys me before I have a chance.
Right here.
Oh, yeah, you can see them the claws, so it's not a feline. So yeah, it's probably a fox, maybe a coyote.
Too small for a
There's
coyote.
Hibbert.
That's Hibbert.
There's that thing is right there.
They're pretty small.
Yeah,
Not that big.
that's definitely not lynx. All right, so we're at the final lookout now. Well, the turn off for it. The blue markers. We found the blue markers. Well, thank you. Thank you, my dear. It's a little slippery there. Woo, a little bit of ice there too. Beautiful lookout. That's nice.
Oh,
Alright, so we got a little bit of time, so we're gonna hang out here and set up, have a few snacks, maybe do a little time lapse, and yeah, just enjoy the scenery. It's gorgeous. Doesn't feel like you're within 15 minutes of a city of 75,000. What do you think?
no, it's peaceful.
Yeah, it's nice. It's quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Just finishing up our time lapse. Got less than 60 pictures to go. And yeah, it's beautiful, but it is getting colder. We need to get out of here soon. We're gonna probably head out shortly. Okie dokie. So we're now back onto the road that completes the loop. Should be back with the vehicle in about 10 minutes. Sun's getting a little low in the sky. It's just the temperature's dropping really quick, so I'd rather get home and have some hot cocoa or something like that.
Definitely want some tea.
Tea! This thing's gonna sleep. Alright, let's go.